All right, what's up, everybody? It's about a half hour out from this global open house. I wanted to do a quick little update. If you're planning on joining us, add this to the calendar, register through one of these local meetups. If you want, at the end, I'll tell you a real simple way to get a link to the invite. But the event is going to take place inside of this Gather.Town co-working space. You'll spawn right here in the middle, and there's a big map to explore. And as you see, as I get close to people, their video and audio will come into view. And so that's the premise of this entire space, is that you walk around using your up and down arrow keys, and there's a huge map to explore. We've got an auditorium where all the talks will take place. We've got this little support area where you can get support for different aspects of whatever it is that you're looking for. A little breakout area over here if you need to go and find a group of people to hang with. If you want some quiet space to just sit and chat with somebody, this is a great place to do that. The show and tell will be happening inside of this space. Oh, that's Pixel Geek. Hold up. Hang on. Yo. Hey. What's up? What's up, man? I'm recording a little walkthrough. Say hi to people. Hi to people. Yo, this space is already buzzing. I think we're gonna end up blowing the socks off this event, so let's go. All right, I'm gonna keep doing my little walkthrough. Y'all are gonna get okay, goodbye. Okay, so that's how it works. You get close to people and you hear them. You walk away from them and you don't. So if I step outside of this environment, I'm outside of a shared space. So when you're inside, you see I joined the call. When I step out, I'm out of the call. Same thing happens in here. If anybody's in the auditorium, I step in, I'm in the call, I step out, I'm out of the call, right? And these little zones here are also private spaces. So I can connect with anybody who's in one of these spaces. You see, as he comes in, maps into my space there. And so you just using my up and down keys on the arrow pad. We will upload instructions for how to use this at the top of this page. So if you have any questions, right here at the top of this page, you can see that I've got, I'm about to publish this here, and let's see, another 20 minutes. And so this will have the full agenda, how to use Gather, a little bit of show and tell, the main auditorium live support, and you'll be able to one-click join the event. So don't worry. If you haven't RSVP'd, the space is going to be open. This is a true open house, so stop in and say hi. Just FYI, if we end up busting the doors off this thing, we may have to reset the servers and add more capacity. So come on, let's do that. Let's spend some more Joe's money here. Anyway, join us in 30 minutes. See you there.